So, here is my application. Get your appetite ready with Foodie Love. So, get started. So, here, the login page where the user can input email and password. We also have the Facebook and the Google. Connect with Google and Facebook. The next is the categories. We have the vegetables, non-vegetables, pasta, and drinks. Then, when we click the vegetables, mapupunta tayo dito. So, meron siyang image, the name of the vegetables, the price, and of course, yung quantity. Kung gusto nating mag-add, just click the plus sign. The next is the non-vegetables. So, ganun ulit. The pasta. So, yan. Ganun ulit siya. The drinks. Ganun ulit. So, yan. Punta tayo sa vegetables. Sa vegetables, kapag clinic natin yung product, mapupunta siya sa details, which is meron siyang mga recipe, kung anong description ng product natin. So ang kagandahan nito is malalaman nung user kung ano ba yung mga flavor na nakalagay dun sa product natin. The name of the product, the description, then the quantity. Ganun din siya. Meron siyang plus sign kung gusto mong mag-add. Ganyan. Then, buy now. Pupunta dito sa checkout page. Ito yung mga product na kunwari naka-buy now. We have the total, the payment method, of course, the GCash or the cash on delivery. Then, of course, the address of the user, the name, full name, the contact number, and of course, the address, zip code, municipality. Then, check out. So, let's check out. So, ito na yung summary. So, order completed, the transaction details, kung ano ba yung pinili ng user, if cash on delivery ba, yung total, ganyan. Then, we have also the message, kung gusto mong i-message kung gusto mong mag-message dun sa dun sa admin may hawak ng application. And we have the contact seller, of course, the cancel order. Pwede mo siyang i-cancel kung kunwari nagkamali ka, ganun. Then, sa buy now, mapupunta ulit dito sa categories. Then, sa cart naman, yan. Sa cart is andyan yung mga product, and ang kagandahan nito is pwede kang mag-select ng isa or dalawa. Here naman is yung message, conversation between the user and the admin. Then, of course, the profile of the user, the photo, the name, the email, phone, address, yan. And kapag clinic yung log out, pupunta siya sa login page.